Good evening, my dear colleagues and my friends and dear faculty members. As you know, our examination has completed today. So now I am doing my work. Today I tell you how to receive the copies written by the students by a teacher. How teacher access the written work. Also, if HOD is centrally organizing the exam, so how he share the work of students to the corresponding faculty member. So first of all, as you know, we go to the Google Classroom, and after that, moving to Google Classroom, you find here your classes as you have created as a honor. And suppose we have this class CS third year extra. This is my class. This is for subject compiler design, and the faculty member who taught this subject is Engineer Sanjeev Agrawal. So now I go to the classwork and I go to the 18 students had handed in the assignment and 6 students are missing the assignments. So after that, you need not to click every PDF. You must take use of this folder, open folder for assignments. Now here you found the folder for the assignment. Now you go to the My Drive. This is My Drive, and in this is My Drive you have the folder Classroom, which is automatically created by Google Classroom. So you are click on Google Classroom. You can open this folder. So I have here 5 classes, and the classes taught by Mr. Sanjeev Agrawal is CS third year extra. So I click on this and right click on this and click on share. After that I want to share this. I want to share this with Sanjeev Agrawal. So something that I right click on this, share, and right here Sanjeev Agrawal. Okay, he can organize, add and edit. Right, please evaluate the answer sheets and then send, and it will send the message to the person who by which I am sharing this folder. Now you can download it also. Download, if you want to download all the files at a single move, at one go. So he is preparing the file for downloading. It will take some time. and it is asking leave, so you can click on leave. It's saying some error. It is downloading now, so you can download all the files. The two files has not been zipped here, so I downloaded personally, so it is downloading the folder to me. After you download this folder, you go to the show in folder, you go to the downloads, and downloads you can extract the downloads on your drive, as I done it before. Online written examination, online examination answer sheets, this is date, and here I got the, right click on this and click on the extract here, so it will give the folder like that, and in this you get all the sheets that you have received from the students. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it will be helpful to you.